Assalamualaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted that so many of you could make it today. Let me introduce myself. My name is IMRAN bin NORARIFFIN. I am Dr. Umar Haiyat student from section 13 for subject Introduction to Entrepreneurship. As you can see on the screen, I am one of the members of Group 5, where the others is Akmal Husni bin Abdul Aziz, Low CYNTHIA, Muhammad Arif and NURSHAZLIN SHAFINAZS binti ROSLI. Our topic today is about our application developer in terms of Business Modal Canvas. Just a short explanation about our application. Basically, we name our application as tax funds, whereas function as a third party between donator and applicant, where people can download it or install it on their device through the App Store or Google Play Store. So, in the Business Modal Canvas, there is consist of key partners, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, channels, customer segment, cost structure, and revenue streams. This will be discussing on the next presentation.
I will explain about key partners. Key partners are the relationship that you have with other business, governmental or non-consumer entities that help your business model work. This can be the relationship that your company has with your suppliers, your manufacturers, business partner and others. Your business has some friends, which is groups who take some weight off your shoulders. These are individuals or organizations who enable your organization to run smoothly, enabling you to focus on what most important. Your idea sits in a value chain, the complete process by which a product or service is made and delivered. There are a good chance that you don't do everything yourself. Someone either sits before you or after you, and we need to keep them happy. Next, I will explain about key activities. Key activities are important things to your business needs to do run. It's even more specific than that. Key activities are the key things that you need to do in order to deliver your value proposition to customer. In this lesson, we look at what key activities are within the context of the Business Modal Canvas and how to identify them and use them correctly. However, sometimes you need to ask for donation in person at a fundraising event or other function. But the issue some people have with asking for donation in person is that it can be a nerve-wracking experience. It can be a stressful and time-consuming endeavor. Thank you.
Key resources describe the most important assets required to make a business model work. These are the resources that allow an enterprise to create and offer a value proposition, reach markets, maintain relationship with customer segment, and earn revenues. For our apps, we consider all of the different types of key resources. First is the material resources. Material resources means by physical objects such as equipment, buildings, and transport. The second resources is intellectual resources. Intellectual resources include intellectual property such as patents, trademarks, patents, and databases. The third resources is human resources. Human resources is people that will work to develop your idea. This is particularly important for science-based or creative projects. The last resources is financial resources, such as money assets, credits, and funds that will be used to pay for the development process. Customer segment defines the group of people or organizations you aim to reach or serve. Every company needs profitable customers in order to survive. By working on this session, we analyze our potential customer from the point of view of demographics, interests, and needs. For our apps, before that, we have a segment market with two distinct segments. The first segment was donator. Donator means the people who want to donate money to people in needs. The second segment is applicant. Applicant means by the people who want to transfer money when buying.
Next, I will explain about the value proposition of our company. Basically, our company divided value composition into two groups. First group is known as value proposition for donator, and second group value proposition for applicant. In the first group, they consist of three elements, whereas the first element is easy money transaction for donator, transfer amount of money to the account of the authorization. Second, flexible time to be a donator, which is once donator have installed our apps, it will be easy for them to donate anytime and anywhere they are. Third is no limited set to transfer the money. Donator can transfer their money in a big or a small amount because we did not limit it as long as it can or acceptable to be transferred through their banking system. Second group also consists of three elements, whereas the first one are easy to apply, where we are not set a strict rules for the applicant as long as they are compile the document and fill in the form that required in the apps. Second is quick response. We will make sure that our applicant not waiting our answer for too long. Lastly is same goes to a donator. Applicant also can apply anytime and anywhere they are.
Hi, my name is Akmal Husni bin Abdul Aziz. Now I wanted to share to you all the channels and the customer relationships. Okay, the channels. It is described how a company communicates and reaches its customer segments to deliver its value propositions. For X1, we use three types of channels to deliver our value propositions and also our product service to the customers or the donators. We use a direct system where we can deliver our product services direct to the customers or the donators. First one is the social media. As you can see, we have a lot of social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and also Twitter. It is because that we wanted to share and promote our services to the potential customers or the donators. We will share all our activities and services throughout this platform so that it will attract and the customers or the donators easily. This platform is good for us because we can gain a lot of feedback and suggestions from the customer or the donators. It is also as a standpoint for us in improving our company. Okay, the second one is advertisement. We will also share all our activities and also our product service in the advertisement session while the potential customers or the donators are watching the YouTube stream. The third one is the mobile app. Our X Fund is generated by the mobile app. It is available on Apple App Store and also Google Play Store. The S Fund provides the best way for the customers or the donators that are willing to donate their money to the people that are in need because of the global pandemic. In this app, we will show the potential customer or the donators what is going on with the life of the people that are in need by the advertisement that we provided so that it will raise the awareness to the potential customers or the donators to help the community that is in need and give them another chance in improving their life. Okay, this is the customer relationships. The meaning of the customer relationship is the process of managing interactions with existing as well as past and potential customers. For X-Fund, we use two types of customer relationships, which is personal assistance and also automated services. For personal assistance, we have assigned and employed admin and also customer service team to interact and communicate with the potential customers and donators if they have any feedback, suggestions, and inquiries that have been received to us via emails, calls, messages, and also WhatsApp. And this can help us in gaining a good bond with the customers or the donators, as we will manage the best possible way to help them in settling the issues that they are facing while using this app. The second one is the automated services. X-Fund is an app. Everything used in there is fully automated. This app can identify specific customers or donators that donate their money to our app. All the personal information that have been listed by donators will be kept and restricted from other donators to see. The name of the donator will become anonymous. This app provides information regarding the flow of the transactions from the donators to the people that are in need. Additionally, automated services can be designed to emulate a personal relationships with our company and the customers or the donators, with providing also excellent and efficient customer service.
So the last one is the cost structure and revenue. This final step in the process is important because it will help our team decide whether to pivot or proceed. We are trying to minimize our expenses as can as possible for our purpose X fund. Cost that we have to pay is divided to 5 aspects, which is we are budgeting as follows. The first one is research and development, which is cost 3,500 ringgit. And the next one is advertisement on YouTube platform, which is 5,000 ringgit. And the third one is for marketing, 2,000 ringgit. And the customer service for 4 people is 6,000 ringgit per month. And personal assistant for administration and technician for 2 people is 4,000 per month. So the total is 20,500 ringgit. So the revenue that we are targeting for X-Fund are 50,000 ringgit per month. The revenue that we expecting that we get from the first one is from government, which is 20,000 ringgit, and the two from non-government parties, which is 20,000 ringgit also, and the last one is one from private company sector. This is 10,000 ringgit. This is from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.